In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix bad internet on Fortnite PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, if you are having bad internet or connection problems while trying to play Fortnite on your PlayStation 5, that is usually tied to your actual network that you are using to play. So for some general troubleshooting, the first thing that you can try to do is restart your PlayStation 5 and router. It might seem simple. However, doing a quick restart of both the PlayStation 5 and the router can help resolve temporary glitches causing connection issues and making sure that your network is connecting to the Epic Game service properly. The next thing that you can try is to test your internet connection. This can be done directly on your PlayStation 5 to see your download and upload speeds, and this will give you a baseline measurement. So go to Settings, Network, and then choose Connection Status, where you have the option to test the connection. You should be aware how many megabytes per second of download and upload your internet service provider should be giving you. So if you notice that the numbers shown in the internet connection test are low, then you should call them and ask on why they're so low. If there is maintenance ongoing, then you will simply have to wait. Otherwise, they will be able to fix the issue on their end. Some other things for you to optimize the PlayStation Network settings. Always try to use wired connections. I know for a lot of people this simply isn't possible and Wi-Fi is more convenient, but by using a wired connection, you will get the most stable connections possible and also higher quality, higher megabytes per second on both download and upload. The next thing that you can try to do, if you must use Wi-Fi, is setting the Wi-Fi frequency band on your PlayStation 5 to 5 GHz. It offers faster speeds, but it is going to have shorter range, so only do this if you are really close to the router. And besides this, like I said, there isn't much that you can do. You can try going over to the settings inside of the game and changing the matchmaking region. As long as this is set to automatic and you choose the region that gives you the lowest latency possible, you will be able to fix bad internet on Fortnite on the PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix bad internet on Fortnite PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.